All right, so where do we start, right? How do we start becoming more attractive? And in dentistry, we have been, for the most part, very reactive when it comes to team, right? Somebody gives us notice, oh, shoot, now we got to find somebody. So now we begin our process of trying to find somebody. So now we put some ads out, and it takes a while to get those written, to get them up. Finally, they get written, they get up. It takes a few more days to have any traction before you get anybody. It's probably 10 days before you have an interview, maybe more than that, and then another week to pick somebody. This is the traditional, right? Another week to pick somebody. And then they got to give 2 weeks notice. So we have this huge gap, and we've built our system so that we have this huge gap. Doesn't make any sense, right? It doesn't make any sense. So first of all, when you put out ads, you may not get anybody responding. I've heard it so many times that all of our typical things that we did to find people, we can't find people now. So some of the ways that I've seen practices manage this in a way that puts them in a much better position is, first of all, they get clarity on their mission, vision, and values, right? So this is that culture piece I talked about when I showed you the pyramid. And people are attracted to a culture. They really are. And so if you don't have that cultural foundation, if you don't have that work done, other people can see it. I can go in an office and I can tell. If I spend a half a day in an office, I can tell you if they have those cultural things in place, because people behave differently when they're there.